Hi everyone, my name is Faizan Amjed and today we are going to remove video background in Capcut. Now unfortunately, if you select your clip and now if you go to the remove background, now the auto removal is set to pro. If you enable this feature, you can remove your background, but if you export your video, as you can see, we have to buy the pro version of Capcut. So how we can remove video background for completely free? First of all, you need to go to this website called runwayml.com. Once you open this website, go to the video editor projects. Click here and create video composition. You can see we have this video editing interface of Runway ML. Now you can drop your file or you can click here to upload your clip that you want to remove background. Once you upload your clip, drag and drop your video in the timeline of this video editor. Now once we have the video, we can go to the AI tools and right here we have green screen. Click on it and here how it's work. You have to add a point. You can select your subject or object that you want to keep, and as you can see it select my subject. If you want to select something, like in this example I want to select my chair as well, so we can add point to this chair as well. Now if you misclicked, if you for example select an unwanted object in your video, and if you want to remove this point, simply hover your mouse onto this point and click on it. It will remove your point. Now if you want to select this area as well, then we can add points onto this area. Now as you can see, it also selected this area as well. So what we can do, we can go to the exclude and we can add a negative point. So this way it won't selected this area. Let's go to the include. Now once you selected the area that you want to keep in your video, simply click on this done masking button. And now as you can see, we have this clip. Now you can also feather your mask. So we have this option, we can feather the mask as well. You can also invert your selection if you want to. Now we can also edit the mask afterward. Now simply we can add a solid background. So I'm going to place my background right here. Click here to zoom out your timeline. We can place the video on top of this solid color, trim this solid color, and now we can select the solid color. Click here, we can change the color of the solid to a green color. So I'm going to select a bright green color. Now simply we can go to the export, select your resolution. If you are using the free account, unfortunately we can only export up to 720p. Go to the export video. Now go to the export submitted, and now as you can see the video is being exported. Now once the export processing is complete, we can simply click on this video, open this video, click onto this download button to download this video. And as you can see the video is now downloaded. Now import your clip in Capcut timeline, select your video, go to the remove background and check chroma key, and now select this color. And now as you can see the background is removed. Now we can increase the intensity. We can also increase the shadow as well. Go to the library of media. We can drag any background behind this video. We can show the track and check out the result. Now we can lower the intensity. We can increase the shadow as well. And as you can see, we successfully removed the background of this subject.